front of a Dwarf Cavendish. As you can see, they're yellowing. It's time to harvest. So with that said, let me go ahead and remove the supports and we'll cut it down. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the bud. All the bud's gone. Now I'm gonna bring down the plant. I don't wanna cut this and go like that. Accidents happen, so I'm gonna bring the plant down. Real slowly, just like this. Okay, I could bring it down further, but this is good enough. So I'll go ahead and cut off the stalk without damaging the banana rack. Okay, so here you go. I got a nice ripening Dwarf Cavendish banana rack. I'm gonna go bring this in the house and we'll cut down the rest of the plant. Okay, when I harvest a rack, I like cutting down the whole plant. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay, so that plant is cut down. All the rest of the energy is going to go to the rest. And there'll be some new Dwarf Cavendish suckers coming up soon. That will be my spring crop. That will go into my fall harvest. Okay, so this rack over here is ripening and it's got a split on it. The ones that split go to my chickens. The rest is going to go in the house on the floor. So let me harvest this one real quick. Okay, I removed the banana support, cutting off the bud. I want to bring this plant down nice and easy. Okay, so I cut the stalk, or I cut the rhizome about a third of the way through. Now I'm going to bring this rack down nice and gentle. Just like that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the rack off so it won't fall, no damage to it. Okay, so here's another Dwarf Cavendish rack that's ripening that I just harvested. So now I want to cut down the rest of the plant. So hey, with that said, I hope you liked my little short video on harvesting a nice Dwarf Cavendish rack. If you did, give me a like, give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You'll see all the upcoming harvesters and planting and everything else I do on the property. And if you ring that bell on the top, you'll get notified every time I post some type of video. Hope to talk to you soon.